Welcome back to stage 7 of this demo series, and in this stage of the demo you're going to tidy your account up and delete all of the resources that you've been using throughout this demo series. So to start that process, just move across to the VPC console, and we need to reverse the change that we made at the end of the last lesson. So go to Security Groups, scroll down, and select the default A4L AWS security group. And before we click on Edit Inbound Rules, just look for the security group ID of the Workspace's members security groups. Then click on Edit Inbound Rules, find the rule that corresponds to your security group ID that you just noted down, click on Delete, and then click on Save Rules. Next, we need to remove the workspace. So go to Workspaces, select the workspace, click Delete. Now that's going to take some time, so while that's doing, click on Services, move to EC2, and we're going to delete the AWS jump box. So go to Running Instances, select jumpbox-AWS, right-click, then Terminate Instance. You'll need to confirm that. Once that's terminated, click on Services, go to FSX, and we're going to delete the FSX managed file share. So select it, go to Actions, delete file system. We will not take a final backup, and you'll need to confirm that that's dangerous. Obviously in production you would take a backup. Next, you'll need to copy and paste the file system ID into this box and click on Delete File System to confirm, and that will begin the process of deleting that FSX file system. Now at this point, we'll need to wait for both the workspace to delete and for this FSX file system to delete, because both of those rely on the AWS directory. So go ahead and pause the video and resume it once both of those have been removed. When the workspace is gone, then you can go to Workspaces, click on Directories, select the directory, go to Actions, and then click on Deregister. Move to Directory Service, select the directory service, click on Actions, and then delete the directory. Assuming nothing else is relying on it, you should be able to delete that. So just confirm by typing or pasting the directory name into the box and clicking on Delete. That'll begin the process of deleting that directory. Now this will take a while to delete, keep hitting refresh, and we'll need this to disappear before we can finish the final steps of this clear up lesson. So go ahead and pause the video and we can resume once this disappears when it gets deleted. Now once the directory is finished deleting, we can do the last step. So click on Services, type in Cloud and move to the CloudFormation console, and then select the non-nested stack. So this is the main stack that you created, and then click on Delete, and that will delete all of the nested stacks followed by itself, and the account will be back in the same state as it was at the start of this demo lesson. Now that's everything that you needed to cover in this advanced demo lesson, which has helped you experience hybrid directory in both AWS and a simulated on-premises environment. I hope it's been fun. It's definitely going to provide you with some useful real-world skills, because you've gained experience of implementing a managed Microsoft Active Directory within AWS. You've prepared that directory and an on-premises directory for establishing a two-way forest trust by configuring conditional forwarders. You've established the trust. You've seen how you can use FSX to perform file system migrations, how you can add on-premise identities to an AWS domain, and you've seen how you can provision workspaces which use identities stored in on-premises Active Directories. So you've experienced many of the challenges that a solutions architect will face when implementing this type of complex problem involving hybrid environments within AWS and on-premise. But at this point you have completed everything that you need to within this demo series. Just make sure that all those CloudFormation stacks do finish deleting, and that will mean that you're not billed for any resources used as part of this demo series. Go ahead, complete this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in another advanced demo lesson.